The future edge computing, IoT, and cloud computing. Today is Wednesday, June 22nd, 22. We're Silicon Networks. We can be reached at 775-945-925. How IoT is reinventing architecture. In this new world, strong middleware that can automate integration between systems, clouds, and on-premise system is critical. So is an awareness of all your company's IT assets and the ability to fail over systems if disaster recovery becomes necessary. Manage your assets. IT asset management software can detect new appliances and systems as they enter IT network and provide a way for logging and monitoring these assets. If your company lacks such system, now's the time to consider acquiring one. Knowing every piece of technology that's in your enterprise and the data it contains is vital to developing a comprehensive and totally inclusive IT architecture. Be prepared for oddball IoT. One of the implementation challenges of IoT is that every IoT vendor, where it is providing an RFID reader, a robot, or CNC machine, is primarily concerned with the immediate operating and data universe of the IoT solution itself. Consequently, there are many oddball IoT communication protocols that don't necessarily talk to other devices or systems. Formalize a plan for edge and hybrid cloud computing. For most sites, finding a way to move data that is locally collected at the edges of the enterprise to central data repository requires a combination of cloud and on-premise computing in concert with a scripted communications plan that schedules data payload shipments from the remote edges of the enterprise to the cloud storage, and from cloud storage to your central data repository, which could be on-premise. Revise your disaster recovery and backup plan. Many organizations are opting to back up central data to the cloud on a nightly basis, with the cloud being either private or a single tenant public cloud. This means reworking the data recovery plan so that it now includes both cloud and on-premise computing, and so that it's concurrent with the revision of your IT architecture. Enact all points security. One way to ensure security at the edges of your enterprise where end users are likely running the technology is to implement a zero trust network, which automatically verifies IP addresses and authenticates users from both inside and outside corporate walls. No one gains admission to the network until all security criteria have been met. With an enterprise-wide zero trust network, IT doesn't need to confront end users about security when they self-enable the technology. What are the benefits of IoT for businesses? IoT has the potential to change industry at its core. The digitization that IoT is part of is sometimes called the fourth industrial revolution. Since IoT can affect anything that can be connected, it means that IoT is truly an ecosystem of ecosystems where cooperation is a typical element. Companies work together in different constellations for different business needs and create joint benefits. To act in an ecosystem environment is paramount in IoT. The value of IoT lies in the data that the connected devices collect. What are the security risks of IoT? The IoT bridges the gap between the digital work and the physical world, which means that hacking into devices can have dangerous real-world consequences. Hacking into the sensors controlling the temperature in a power station could trick the operators into making a catastrophic decision. Taking control of a driverless car could also end up in disaster. How do specific industries and smart cities use IoT? Manufacturing equipment can be monitored through sensors and advanced analytics. This is known also as machine-to-machine Industry 4.0 and intelligent IoT. The combination of predictive analytics and maintenance may reduce expensive downtime in a manufacturing facility. Operational productivity and profitability are improved in a connected factory. Connected factories include tools with sensors and mobile apps that can be used to help workers and technicians be more efficient and accurate. GE Aviation is using upskills Skylight Industrial AR platform with Google Glass to improve efficiency and avoid manufacturing maintenance errors. IoT for smart cities. This year, 2.3 billion connected things will be used in smart cities, according to Gartner. The global market for smart city solutions and services was $36.8 billion in 2016 and expected to top 38.7 billion by 2025, according to Navigant Research. Smart cities have a variety of IoT devices in place, from parking sensors connected to a mobile app to alert drivers of open parking spots, to video cameras and smart streetlights, weather sensors, and gunshot detection devices. Buildings in a smart city are filled with IoT solutions to improve energy efficiency and reduce operating costs. A smart city is a safer city with better traffic regulation, emergency systems that are more efficient, and faster police and EMT response times. IoT for utilities. IoT is essentials for utilities as these companies scrambles to keep up with consumer demand for water and energy. The International Energy Agency expects global energy demand to increase by 28% by 2040. Energy and water use can be more efficient with IoT solutions, with smart meters connecting to a smart energy grid to more effectively manage energy flow into buildings. Smart water sensors track water quality and temperature, pressure, and usage. This data is used by the water company to analyze how customers are using water to help them be more efficient. Water leak detectors are used to find tiny leaks that can lead to huge water waste. IoT for transportation. When a layer of IoT is added to vehicles, it helps improve transportation logistics for remote monitoring and data analysis. For the enterprise, this means using predictive analytics to fix potential issues in vehicles before a breakdown occurs. It also means optimizing delivery routes in real time. For individuals, it means having an IoT-enabled vehicles that connect to smartphones and even to their own home for seamless experience. IoT for healthcare. Medical assets such as supplies and medicine can be tracked by an IoT cloud platform. Vital medical equipment can be kept in top condition with predictive maintenance. Sensors can be used to monitor a patient's room temperature or how often a patient moves in bed. Some patients receive care outside of a hospital setting through wearable sensors that track heart rate, blood pressure, and more. When there's a problem, the doctors are alerted and the treatment can be scheduled. Conclusions. So security at every step is critical. Smart technology is a gateway to the network. Clearly define technical objectives, map benefit cost analysis to objectives, tune business objectives to IoT outcomes. Value propositions. Silicon Networks can help start the process. Meet with us for a free roadmap workshop. In 2 hours, we can help define your objectives, assist in the development of an IoT plan, evaluate a technical plan, meet your objectives, set up an appointment today. Give us a call at 775-945-9825. Blockchain application workshop includes blockchain fundamentals, identifying the business problem, blockchain characteristics, blueprint for the ecosystem, business model design, governance, legal concerns with blockchain, and what problems can blockchain solve. June 20th, sign up now. Silicon Networks, we do IoT development, expert system design implementation, distance learning solutions, and telemedicine connectivity. Set up a free consultation today.